everyone, this is Dr. Jawad. In this video, I'm going to talk about a situation that a good friend of mine from childhood, I've known for over 40 years, came up to me the other day, and he says he has kidney stones. And the story that he put me through, the pain that he put me through, bellied over in pain, it's for him. I had to sympathize with him, but I'm doing this video on kidney stones. Now, again, the symptoms of kidney stones is back pain, belly pain, side pain, painful urination. You may have cloudy or smelly urine, nausea, fever, vomiting. If your pain is bellied over, you may have a kidney stone. Now, there's two different types of kidney stones. 80% of the kidney stones that we have are made of calcium oxalate, and the other 20% are an imbalance of uric acid, so they're called uric acid stones. Now, the 80%, the calcium oxalate, it's in the name. The one reason why it's created is because there's a calcium imbalance. Now, one of the functions of the kidneys is to filter all the liquid that we have out for urination. And if there's a calcium imbalance, calcium stones will form. Also, too, decreased citrates. Citrates, the family of citrate foods, what it does, it helps prevent the stones from forming. Also, too, it helps dissolve the stone. And the oxalates combine with calcium in the body. So if you're taking too little citrates and too much oxalates, you're more prone for a calcium oxalate stone in the kidney. So what do? If you know that you have a calcium oxalate stone, then you want to increase the citrates. Remember, the citrates will help dissolve and prevent stones. So most important, lemon juice. The best lemon juice out there that I always recommend is organic Italian volcano lemon juice. You don't have to take a lot of it because a little bit goes a long way. All I recommend is let's do 2 ounces 3 times a day, because again, you want to help clear out that pathway. Potassium citrate is a great supplement. Any type of citrate supplement will help prevent the stone. Avoid oxalates. Again, remember, you want to bring up the citrates and avoid the oxalates. Vitamin D3, vitamin K2, and vitamin C. Vitamin D3 and vitamin K2 combined, they help calcium absorption, but also vitamin K2 helps remove the excess calcium from the arterial system and helps deposit it in the blood. In the bone. Vitamin C as well, that will help prevent the stones from forming. Cranberry juice, phenomenal to help clean out the kidney pathway, anything from a stone to a UTI. And also, too, most important, you want to decrease the carbohydrates, because what happens when you take an excessive amount of carbohydrates, you increase the insulin, that will help the stones to form. So let's flip it over. So the oxalates. So you want to increase this side and you want to decrease this side. So foods that are high in oxalates: beets, spinach, beans, potatoes, avocados, dates, Swiss, kiwi, figs, and peanuts. Those foods are all high in oxalates. So again, if you're taking too many oxalates and not enough citrates, the kidney stones are going to form. The foods that are lower in oxalates are your kale, cabbage, cauliflower, and cucumber. Now again, to make this work, it may take a couple weeks or so. It may take up to 30, I always say it may take 30 days. So again, you want to increase those citrates and just basically eliminate the oxalates, help clean out that pathway. Now again, the other 20% of stones are the uric acid stones. Very rare, but it does happen. Okay, uric acid stones are very popular with people who are on the ketogenic diets, because high protein diets increases the acidity level of the urine. So again, but the problem is with the uric acid stones, the urine is too acidic. Okay, the urine is going to be less than 5.5 pH. So again, it's too acid. Again, high protein diets will make the urine too acid. Also too, fructose and high fructose corn syrup. Fructose meaning fruit. Again, it'll increase the possibility of uric acid stones being formed. Diabetes, people who are diabetic, okay, the fluctuations in blood sugar. Also too, if you're taking in too much sugar. Again, too much sugar equates to increased uric acid. Now, also too, certain medications, diuretics, the thiazides. What the thiazides are, the main mechanism is to flush out the sodium. The problem is when you flush out the sodium, you increase the uric acid in the kidneys and you form the uric acid stones. So if you have uric acid stones, what do you want to do? Remember, the goal is to move the pH more alkaline. You're too acidic. You want to make it more alkaline. So again, potassium citrate will help. Low salt in diet. Decrease the sodium in your diet. That will help. And also too, limit the protein. Just for the time being. Okay, I always recommend about 21 to 30 days. And in order to prevent stones from happening, for the uric acid stones, you gotta watch the sugar if you're a diabetic. Okay? If you're not, again, if you're more prone for the calcium stones, best bet, again, limit the oxalates, increase the D3, the K2, and the vitamin C. That's going to help flush out the excess amount of calcium in your system. Okay, so I hope this helps. I saw my friend, it looked very, very painful. The story that he told me had me bellied over. So anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button, share with a friend. I'll see you in the next one. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Jawad. Hey, over the last couple of years, my YouTube channel has grown tremendously, and I can only appreciate it, the viewers who subscribe. Now, if you're watching this on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button to get the first up-to-date videos, or you could always Google my name, Dr. Jawad, and you could go to my JDoc Real Minute page. Again, if you hit the subscribe button, you'll get the most up-to-date videos. And thanks everybody who's watching. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you.